Hi, I'm Grace of India today, and today we have Vijayendra and Vidhi with us. We are going to talk about your show Mose Chhal Kiye Jaaye. We know just about the story and a character, but tell us more about it. What's your character? What are the shades of the character? What's it about?
Okay, so you want to start with your character?
Okay. So I'm playing the character of Saumya Verma, and she's from Indore. She wants to come to Mumbai to fulfill her dreams. That's becoming a TV writer. She wants to specifically write for TV. To be even more specific, she wants to write for the Oberoi telefilms. That's Armaan Oberoi. And उससे यकीन है कि वो अपना सपना जरूर पूरा करेगी. And she has these very obvious little desires in life कि उसकी शादी हो और शादी के बाद भी उसका passion, उसका profession ही बन के रहे. And she believes that women are very good at balancing their life, their professional and personal life. वो हमेशा balance किया जाता है. And she expects कि अगर मैरिज में दो लोग हैं तो दो लोगों का उतना ही इनपुट होना चाहिए पर्सनल लाइफ का बैलेंस के लिए एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के लिए. So yeah, that's a little bit about Soumya. She's simple, caring, and she has these desires.
What about Armaan?
Armaan is a little complex, थोड़ा सा complex character है. Established, successful TV producer है. उसके shows बहुत hit रहे हैं और थोड़ा manipulative है, image conscious है. He knows how to get his things done. He has his thought process. He is witty. He knows कि उसको क्या बोलना है, कैसे बोलना है. हर चीज में एक underlining है. कभी कभी डबल मीनिंग भी है. झूठ नहीं बोलता, लेकिन सच ऐसे बोलता है जो लोग जैसा सुनना पसंद करते हैं. सो ये थोड़ी थोड़ी उसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं. तो उसका थॉट है कि प्रोफेशनल लाइफ अलग है और पर्सनल लाइफ अलग है. एंड ही वांट्स अ होम मेकर एज हिज वाइफ.
So, Soumya is this ambitious woman, while Armaan has a deceitful side to him. Do you both relate to your characters in real life?
I definitely do relate to Soumya's character because I see and feel there are a lot of similarities. That is, being ambitious and loving her family, being extremely determined, has that spirit of never giving up. So I pretty much relate to her in most of the space.
I personally, I do not relate with the thought process Armaan has. The only thing I relate with him is that he is in showbiz and he is passionate for his work, and so am I. That is the only thing I relate with.
So, why did you both say yes to the show?
I said yes because I really liked this challenging character. It's different. I have not done anything like this before. So that was the driving force for me. So I took it up. I like the concept also. Of course, there's a nice message. It's about women empowerment and about changing the mindsets of people. So these are the reasons I took it up.
And Vidhi?
मुझे तो काम करना था. And this show was really very nice, and there were no reasons to say no. And with itna wonderful message hai, itna wonderful story hai, there is this thing inside the makers that we want to bring a change in the society. And इतने बड़े change का हिस्सा जो मैं खुद भी बहुत personally believe करती हूँ जिसमें. And I mean, there were no reasons to say no, but only yes to be a part of the show.
Since the show is all about arranged marriages, and you know how Soumya fails to see the real side of Armaan, in a way.
No, it's not an arranged marriage. Yeah, बिल्कुल भी arranged marriage नहीं है. और ये क्या marriage है ये भी हम नहीं बताना चाहते आपको, because that's the fun of the story. है ना कि आप.
Yeah, the show is not about arranged marriage या उसकी अंदर क्या difficulties होती हैं. It's about this thought process कि शादी के बाद में जैसे ये नॉर्मल है कि गाय इज वर्किंग और वो शादी के बाद में भी वो कंटिन्यू करेगा. ये है तो पर व्हाई देन शुड वी हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ अ थॉट प्रोसेस कि शादी के बाद में हम एक्सपेक्ट करें कि जो वाइफ है वो अपना काम या करियर को छोड़ दे घर के लिए. वो है चीज. इट्स नॉट की अरेंज मैरिज.
Right. So what I mean is, since you both had an arranged marriage, Soumya failed to realize the real side of Armaan. So my question is, do you feel love marriages are better in that sense?
As she said, it is not an arranged marriage.
That's what I'm saying. I did not
It's
say.
yeah.
So marriage क्या है? I would say it would be, I don't know. I don't want to go there. क्योंकि
Right.
काफी कुछ reveal हो जाएगा उससे. But I feel छल arrange
देखो
में भी
जिसको
होता
छल
है, love में भी
करना
होता
है
है.
वो अरेंज में भी कर सकता है, वो लव
Exactly.
मैरिज में भी कर सकता है.
So,
ऐसे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So it's about destiny कि क्या होना है.
Right. So Vijayendra, how did you break the ice with Vidhi on the sets? Like, was she a chilled out co-star, or was she someone who was very strict? No, did you see her Big Boss of 15 Avatar? So were you scared of that?
I know her since Sudan days, तो मैं इसे पहले से जानता हूँ. तो मैंने बिग बॉस में नहीं देखा इसका अवतार, लेकिन मैं इसको पर्सनली आई नो. सो there's nothing like breaking the ice for this show. वो हमने जब हम दूसरा शो कर रहे थे, पहले कर रहे थे, तो उसी में हो गया था. तो it's quite easy to work and I think vice versa.
Yeah.
Right. So same question for Vidhi. How is Vijayendra as a co-star? Can you share some anecdotes from the time you were shooting on the sets?
Like you said, we know each other since 6 years. I mean, Vijay is pretty passionate when it comes to work and very easygoing when it's about performing scenes. And obviously, just as an actor, he's very easygoing, very passionate, and so am I. So हमारी energies, हमारी vibe when it's about the workspace काफी match करती है, and that is why it's so easy and it's so comfortable. हमारी compatibility भी इतनी है when it comes to working together. It's so nice that it just seems like makhan most of the days. Yeah, so
yeah, it's
very easy.
So Vidhi, what are your views on love and marriage in your personal life?
In which marriage?
In your personal life, not real life, but real life.
Yeah. No, I do believe in marriage. I mean, marriage is a very beautiful institution when you have a nice partner who is more of like a friend, जिसके साथ आप बात कर सकते हैं, सारी चीजें share कर सकते हैं. Life becomes easy. Life does become beautiful when you have the right one. And I do believe in marriage. And जब मेरा right time होगा, मैं भी कर लूँगी.
On that note, Vijayendra, how is your married life? Like, what's your love story? In the gist.
We met each other when we were working for an airline. We were working together. वहाँ पे जान पहचान दोस्ती turned into love, and then we had a courtship for 4 years. Got married. अभी धीरे-धीरे इतना time हो गया. So you know another person in and out. I think respect is very important in any relationship, especially in marriage. So both the spouse, they should respect each other, trust each other, love each other. So these are some ingredients of a happy marriage.
Right. So let's have that you quit your civil aviation job after working for years to come in this industry. So it's a big step. How do you manage at home? What's the story behind this?
I always wanted to get into this industry, but at the same time, I wanted to be secure. So when I felt that I can, what do you call it, struggle or whatever, I can struggle for 1.5 years, 2 years comfortably. I took that step, and luckily things started falling into place, and I'm very happy that I took that step.
Right. And Vidhi, you also made a debut with in 2014 with a show, and then you last saw you on Big Boss 50. Like, your journey has been very impressive. So what's your success story? Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Honestly, my journey began on the day of 13th of December 2013 with a cameo role in Heli Shah's show, Khelti Hai Zindagi Yaad Ki Tarah, something like that on ZTV. And career, life has been like full of ups and downs, and I'm very, very happy the way it's kind of turned out to be right now. I mean, हम कहते हैं कि जब struggle और वो hard days होते हैं, हमें समझ नहीं आता क्यों हो रहा है. But when you sail through that, तो आपको realize होता है कि कितनी चीजें आपको सीखनी बाकी थी, कितनी चीजें आपको सीखनी थी उस process में, and then how it makes you a better person when you deal with the good times and the bad times that are supposed to come in the future. So everything is a learning, and I'm a greedy person when it comes to learning. I love to learn, and I've been extremely grateful for the journey that I've had.
Okay. So my last question to you both: what is your message to your fans?
Message to our fans is it's a very selfish thing. I'm saying it just हमारा show देखिए और हमें बहुत सारा प्यार दीजिए और इसे successful बनाइए please, because your love is something that makes us or breaks us. So please watch the show. It's airing on 7th Feb, 9 o'clock, Monday to Friday. Mose Chhal Kiye Jaaye. Please watch it
Okay, thank you so much.
on Sony.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.